Привет, друзья! Как дела? My name is Fedor, and today let's talk about how to express your opinion just like natives do. We have 18 phrases that are all expressing some sort of opinion, your take on something. And all of these phrases, I use them a whole lot. Other Russians use them a whole lot as well, so you should too. Number one, basic and neutral expressions. Я думаю, что something. I think that something. This is the most basic, the simplest you can think of when talking about your own opinion. Я думаю, что будет хорошо. I think that is going to be good. Very simple, straight, just like English logic as well. Next, мне кажется. And then что is secondary, it's optional. You can say мне кажется, будет дождь. It seems to me that it's going to rain. Or you can say, мне кажется, что будет дождь. Что here is optional. You don't have to include it, but if you want to, you can. What's the difference between the first phrase and мне кажется? Мне кажется, it's more of things are pointing in a certain direction. While with the first phrase, я думаю, it's mostly the product of your own thoughts. But мне кажется, things seem to point in this direction. So you say мне кажется. Next, по-моему. По-моему is the same thing as я думаю and мне кажется combined. По-моему means according to me. If it was up to me, then something, or I believe something. По-моему doesn't really differ in meaning, it's just a different expression. По-моему is one of those that will point to a listener that you speak Russian more naturally. The first two are sometimes more basic and more just like the bottom line, the most foundational phrases, but по-моему is more conversational. So if you want to sound more authentic, use по-моему. Next, как по мне. Как по мне, same thing, is as it was up to me, as of me, something. Как по мне, будет плохо. If it was up to me, or in my opinion, it's going to be bad. Maybe you're looking at this preview of the movie or trailer. Как по мне, будет плохо. If it was up to me, I think it's going to be bad. So как по мне is the same thing as я думаю, мне кажется, but more so expressing your own opinion. When it's not just your thoughts, it's not just the outer environment, it's all of it. I have filtered this information through me, and here's my assumption. Okay? Next, если честно, honestly. Если честно is not your opinion anymore. It's not your thoughts. Is you know the facts. And если честно means honestly something. If you want to confess about something, or you want to have your blank and your honest opinion about something without holding back, если честно is a perfect match for that. And с моей точки зрения is the last for this basic and neutral expression. С моей точки зрения means from my point of view. С моей точки зрения is the longest out of this list, and so it's more formal, it's more serious, it's less playful, less slangish. Okay, so now you know those basic and neutral expressions. Now, agreeing softly or partially. So you're in agreement with someone, but not 100%. Наверное, ты прав. Probably you're right. But notice this наверное, probably. You're not 100% convinced yet. So you're using наверное. Next, в этом что-то есть. There's something in this. There's some truth to this. В этом что-то есть. Maybe you're deciding on a plan and it's like a five-person group, and you're deciding on a plan and somebody proposes something that's interesting. You can say, в этом что-то есть. Yeah, this may be right. This may be the thing. В этом что-то есть. There is something in that. Okay, next. Ну, возможно. Ну, возможно is the ultimate native-like expression. Because you are not given the word-by-word literal, yes, I think this may be correct. Ну, возможно is like, yes, possible. And this ну typically gets dragged out. Ну, возможно. It's like you're thinking. Okay, I'm thinking. Возможно means maybe, probably, possibly. Ultimate native-like expression. Частично согласен. I partially agree. Частично means by part or partially. Согласен means I agree or I'm agreeing. For feminine, if you're a lady, you say частично согласна. When something is partially true or you partially agree with something. You see, we're adding a bit more of nuance to our speech, and if you want the ultimate nuance in your Russian, then join BeFluent Camp. With the first link in the description, we are starting our 8-week intensive very soon, and it's going to be an incredible opportunity for you to learn more authentic Russian, the Russian that is spoken on the streets, and not just taking that native speech, but also taking the proper steps to get there. I'm not going to just dump all the information onto you, I'll make it accessible to you to learn that. We have 3 different groups, beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So despite of your level, you'll find a curriculum for you and you'll find some utility for you. That is all. We are starting soon. Check out the start date, the pricing, all of it with the first link in the description. Next topic is disagreeing or doubting. So it's still expressing your opinion, but now on the opposite side. Не уверен. I'm not sure. Не уверен is masculine. Не уверена is feminine. Не уверен, not convinced, not sure. Не уверен, что это правда. I'm not sure that it's correct. Or that that's the truth. Next is сомневаюсь. Сомневаюсь means I'm not convinced. I'm doubting this. Let's say your friend says, I think that our friend John is already there. You can say, сомневаюсь. I don't think so. I'm doubting that. Because our friend John has a history of being late all the time. So сомневаюсь is not really you are giving your opinion, it's just like the past history shows otherwise. Сомневаюсь. I'm doubting this. Next, я бы не сказал. I wouldn't say that. Я бы не сказал. Let's say, again, you're talking about a person and they say, I think that John is super careless. You can say, я бы не сказал. I wouldn't say so. I don't have this opinion. I disagree. You're not saying that you disagree. But you say, I wouldn't say so. It's a bit softer, a bit more polite. Я бы не сказала is a feminine version of that. And finally, for this category is, again, ну, не знаю. Well, I don't think so. I don't know. Не знаю, even though its meaning is I don't know, it's showing a soft disagreement. I don't think so. Yeah. Ну, не знаю. I doubt that. That's kind of the meaning of it, the more literal meaning of it, that is expressed through an emotion rather than a certain word. Now, strong opinions. Super strong. You will see why. Это полный бред. This is complete nonsense. Это полный бред. Translated verbatim, this is complete nonsense. Это полный бред. Это очевидно is the opposite. It's obvious. Now, this is not showing your opinion and your take on something, but you're saying that this is obvious. Это очевидно. Он врет. This is obvious. He is lying. Okay, next. Однозначно да. Absolutely yes. Однозначно means absolutely 100%. And of course, replace да with нет if it's absolutely no. simple change of the opinion. Однозначно да or однозначно нет. And finally, я категорически против. I'm strongly against. Категорически means I'm categorically against that. I'm super against that. Put it that way. Категорически. We don't really say я категорически за. Not really. It doesn't really make sense. Well, it does, but it doesn't sound natural to me. I don't know why. So, я категорически против is a strong opinion. I'm strongly against this. What I'm not strongly against is you joining BeFluent Camp with this button right here. Learn Russian in an intensive manner for 8 weeks and learn a whole lot and learn exactly what natives say, how they say it, and how to get to that point. Or keep on learning through our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.